Hello friends, I am living in such a wonderful world. Everything is so nice over here. I can see a river over there, such a nice river. I can see mountains. I can see a well-planned city. I can see a beautiful house. I think this is my house. I can see people over there. Now, everything is so well-planned and so well-designed that it's impossible for me to distinguish between this world and the world outside of it. Yes, I can remove it, but think about a person who is born with this, who has never seen anything but the world through these glasses. For that person, this is the only reality that exists, and if you tell him that there is a world outside of it, he'll laugh, he'll not believe. Maybe the same is true for us. How would we know that we are living in a simulated world? I remember watching a movie called The Truman Show. It is about a man who lives in a world that looks completely real to him. Everything around him is designed, so perfectly that he has no reason to doubt anything, to question anything. But what happened one day, one light, that studio light suddenly falls from the sky that he believed to be sky. Though it was a small mistake, but it makes him question his entire world. And after that, he starts noticing more strange things around him. Slowly, these small inconsistencies make him realize that the world he has believed to be real, his whole world, is actually a movie set, an artificial world created for a television show. Now, imagine the same thing is happening to us. What if we are also living in a well designed, very advanced, simulated world? Maybe it is designed so perfectly that it's almost impossible for us to know whether our world is real or not, or it is a simulation. And if that is true, maybe the only way to discover, whether it's a simulation or not, is to look for things that don't quite make sense. Or maybe, start living a life just for an experiment that is not possible or logical. For example, maybe, you can think about you being the prime minister or president. Believe it. Let simulation know your desire, because it is just a simulation and there must be a source code that can be modified to change your current simulation, your current situation, your current reality, right? Which means that anything is possible in this simulation. As many scientific people, they also believe in multiple realities or multiple outcomes. There are millions of hypotheses for each event. Science just picks a few to test it. That does not mean they were the only real ones. Reality could be beyond your imagination. The only question, and indeed I think it's a philosophical question, is how do you know if it is a simulation or it is not a simulation?